Hello. Welcome to Collins Community Credit Union's interactive teller machine, better known as an ITM. So what is an ITM? Well, an ITM is basically an ATM with the additional feature of face-to-face interactions with a real Collins team member. Think of it like when you're using Skype or FaceTime. With an ITM, you can do a handful of things. You can make deposits, you can make withdrawals, you can transfer funds, you can make loan payments, and much more. Really, anything that you can do within a branch, you can do by using one of our ITMs because you're speaking with a real Collins team member. So let me show you how it works.
How are you doing today?
Hey, I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. How is it that I can help you?
I need to deposit $5 into my checking account.
I'd be happy to help you out with that deposit. And I will have you scan your ID in the upper left-hand corner for me, please.
Okay, just place it up against it.
Yes, please. Just scanning that right now. One moment.
Okay,
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much, Jordan. I appreciate that.
appreciate it.
All right, so the cash dispenser below is going to light up and it's going to open. If you want to go ahead and put those bills all together and insert them in the machine, we'll go ahead and get that deposit made for you.
All right, that was easy.
Yes, very, very easy. And what account did you want that deposit to go into?
The one that I have labeled as personal checking.
Oh, perfect. Yep, you see that here, so thank you for confirming. Getting that processed right now. And did you want a copy of the receipt with your balances or anything today?
No, I don't think so, but I appreciate it.
Absolutely. One last thing I need from you, Jordan, is a signature on the screen.
Okay.
And then is there anything else that we can help you out with today?
No, that's it.
All right. Well, thanks so much for being a member, Jordan. I hope you have a wonderful day.
It's that simple. To learn more about our ITMs, visit our website, collinscu.org, or give us a call at 800-475-1150. We really look forward to serving you.